Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the GARMIN Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the GARMIN Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, you need to open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, you need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here on the list of devices, you should see your Forerunner 570. Next to it, there should be this iPhone info icon. Tap on it. And here, this option should be available and it needs to be enabled. This option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work, so make sure it is enabled. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, close the settings, open the GARMIN Connect app, go to More, GARMIN Devices, select your Forerunner, sync it with your iPhone, and you should see some pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications. Once you see them, allow all of them rather. If you don't see any pop-ups, you can also tap on notifications and alerts, tap on smart notifications, and check if the notifications are enabled. If they're disabled, enable them and then sync your watch with your iPhone, and then the notifications should pop up. Allow all of them, and then you can close the app, open the settings again, tap on Bluetooth and the info icon, of course, and the option right here should be available now. Make sure it is enabled. Once it is, we can now customize the settings for our notifications in the app, so we can reopen the GARMIN Connect, tap on More, GARMIN Devices, of course, select our Forerunner 570, then tap on the notifications and alerts, and here tap on smart notifications. If the notifications are disabled, enable them, and then you will see calls, texts, apps, privacy, timeout, and signature. Calls, texts, and apps are basically the types of notifications, and you can customize each of them separately. So you can tap on calls, and here we can turn on or off the notifications for calls. We can enable and disable the sound for it, the tone, and the vibration. You can also tap on vibration options, and you can select beats, waves, or stampede. Okay, then we have the text, same options basically, so customize it to your liking. And then apps, I believe they will also have the same options, so customize it to your liking as well. Okay, next we have the privacy option. This basically allows you to basically how it works is, if you select one of the options, the content of the notifications will be obscured, and if you want to reveal the content, you will need to either press the start button or perform the wrist gesture to reveal it. Then we have the timeout, how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. I'm gonna select 1 minute, and then you have your signature option. You can turn it on or off. And once you're done customizing the settings, go back to the main page of settings, sync the devices together to apply the settings to your watch, and now you should be able to receive the settings after it's done syncing. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and hopefully it will pop up on our watch. And it did. As you can see, it is working. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.